Hey guys, it's Raychel here. So today I want to talk to you about how I sold over $67,000 in digital downloads. In 2017, I started a new Etsy shop selling just t-shirts. I sell t-shirts on my Etsy, my personal website, and deal sites. I had more success on my personal website, but I did make some orders. So that's why I said 67,000 to accumulate for the shirt orders and not the 69,000 right up there. In April of 2020, I stopped selling t-shirts and started selling digital downloads. In 2021, I was 100% digital and did not sell one shirt that year. I sold 8,555 orders, which brought in right under $43,000 in sales. This year so far, I'm at 3,200, and it's not even my busy time yet. My busy time is August to December, and I'm so excited to see how this year ends. Let's talk about my daily sales. So yesterday I ended with $126 in sales. The day before that I was at $155 in sales, and today I'm right at $165 in sales. And what's so incredible about that is I have not worked in over 8 days because my daughter's best friend is in town from Montana or Wyoming. She's in town from Wyoming, and we've just been having some summer fun. So here's an example of what I do. I create one design and I sell that design over and over again, and I just keep doing that. Okay, so these 3 designs all have over $1,000 in sales. I remember my husband, he asked me, he didn't really understand, and he asked me, why would anyone want to buy a digital download? And it stopped me from doing digital downloads for a couple of years because he was right. I questioned that. Why would anyone want to buy this? But I knew people would buy it because I was buying it. So even though people don't understand it, don't let that hold you back. What is a digital download? All a digital download is a file that they have instant access to. So a person wants this Abraham Lincoln and they find it on my website, they pay for it, and as soon as the payment goes through, they get a link to download it, and then they can use it that day to do whatever they want with it. For instance, if they want to make a t-shirt, they have this cute little t-shirt that they can wear for 4th of July, or just because they love Abraham Lincoln. Some other design examples that you could do other than t-shirt designs is teacher printables, or games like bingo or baby shower games, calendars, to-do lists, stickers, scrapbook paper, coloring pages, living wills, chore charts, and other things like invitations or thank you stickers. The possibilities really are endless, and that's one of the reasons I love digital designs. Let's go over here to Etsy and check out what other shops are selling. This person is selling a cute caution, I have no filter. My poor mom and mother-in-law know that this is totally me. I have no filter. This person is selling these cute little calendars. I mean, look how simple this is. It's just a basic calendar with fun little font that you can totally do, and these cute floral clip arts. And if you can't draw, that's fine, because a lot of the programs you're going to be using will have these built-in clip arts that you can use. So you can totally do this. Oh, and see right there, like I'm telling you, you can totally do it. This person's coffee is saying that they can totally do it too. But look how cute that design is, and it's so simple. This is another font design. It says Boy Mom from sun up to sundown. Here's one that is great for a teacher to print out, to buy and print out and hang up in her classroom. So, I mean, this is just another cute little font design with a little clip art in the middle. A great thing, or a great way that I started with, is font PNG design files. And I just showed you a couple of them, but that includes like funny sayings or cute mom designs, labels like for your pantry, quotes or Bible verses, or even teacher prints like we just saw. One of the very first font designs I made is this cute one. It was for a t-shirt that my friend ordered, and it says, "Don't make me act like my mama." So far, I have turned that into, instead of mama, it says Nana or Daddy, and they're all really popular sellers. One design, it can spiral into a bunch of different designs. So you can have, my first goal was 1,000 designs because it is a numbers game, the more designs you have, but you can create a lot of designs out of one design just by changing up the font or the color. Here's another example of a fun font PNG file, and all it says is Friday Night Lights. It's not the full ABC alphabet font. Here's another example in another font, and it says world's okayest mom. You know, I'm not the greatest mom in the world, but I am the world's okayest mom, and I would totally rock this shirt. What actually is a PNG file? All a PNG file is that you need to know, it's a transparent background. It's a great way to layer things over other fonts or shirts or paper, things like that. So just remember, it's a transparent background. You don't need to know everything about the PNG file. Your customer will probably know more than you, and that's okay. You will learn as you go. Let's just get you started selling. So this is an example of why a PNG file is important. This person wants to print this Friday Night Lights on blue cardstock. Well, if they have a printer with a white toner, it's gonna print this white background around it, and that's not what they want. They want it to be a transparent background so they can see that pretty blue cardstock. Another example is these t-shirts. For print on demand, again, this is going to print a white background on this gray design, and customers aren't going to want that. They want a PNG file that has a transparent background, and they can layer it over a white shirt, a gray shirt, a blue shirt, just whatever they want. We don't want to hinder their creativity. I like to use PicMonkey.com. I've used the high-end stuff like Photoshop. I've used Canva, which is free, but I always come back to PicMonkey. All you would need is this basic one. It's $7.99 a month. And the free trial, see if you like it. See if digital design is for you. I will be teaching you with PicMonkey just because that is what I use. So I do the Pro one. It's $12.99 a month. I like PicMonkey Pro because it is easy to understand. Of course, there is a learning curve, but it's not as strong as using Photoshop or one of those high-end ones. It does have great customer service. I've never had a problem with it. But if I don't know how to do something, I will message them, or actually I'm like, I wish you had this, and they're like, we do have this is how you do it. So it's pretty nice how they do have great customer service. But if you don't use PicMonkey, don't worry, find something else, and these tips and tricks should still go for other programs. It just won't be exactly the same. After we master this PNG file and get your shop up and running, I want to take it to the next step. A lot of you don't know, I actually have a t-shirt Etsy shop too. And I take my digital design and I turn it into actual physical products for my customers to buy. Like for instance, that shirt, Don't Make Me Act Like My Mama. I sell it as a t-shirt and a mug form. And I don't actually make it anymore. I use a production partner who is in control of printing it on the product, and they ship it to my customer. So it's another digital source for me to make money without actually having to hand make any creation. So it's pretty cool. And I can't wait to get y'all started on that. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so excited to finally get started doing this. I can't wait to see what you guys create. My next video is lesson 1, how to make a PNG file for beginners. I hope y'all have a great day. Don't forget to do your YouTube magic and click all these buttons. And I'm going to end with pet of the day, my little Ozzy at the pool. He's so cute. I love him so much.